Go hi lovers. In this video we'll be discussing about Calendar Hero. We're right now on the agency level. We have to install our Calendar Hero first from the app marketplace in the navigation bar. You can search in Calendar Hero and install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub account or you can choose them all. If you want to choose them all, it will be giving you the option to enable automatic feature installation as well from here. But right now we'll be just using a specific sub account that is Mobasa Test. Continue with that. And in a moment it will be installed. The next step is heading towards the sub account and find for app configuration in that. You can see it from here as well. Find for sub account. We are here right now. As you can see, we can find for app configuration from in the navigation bar and search in for Calendar Hero. Let's get it configured. To do that, so you have to find for the API key in your Calendar Hero account. You have to set up your account in the settings in the developer section. You can find for the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Calendar Hero account. As you can see, we have already settled the account, and in the settings, in the integration section, you can find for the API section and you can generate your own API token and copy paste that. Doing so, you can just submit. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Head towards the automations. Now we'll be creating a workflow to check on what value is being provided by Calendar Hero. Let's just create a new action and find for Calendar Hero. These are the variety of actions that you can use in your workflows and create your own automations. You can use your creativity as you like it.